Okay, today went super good. We had 4 trades, 3 of them were retests to breakout zones. So those are the things I'm supposed to be focusing on. The first trade of the day was a sell below VWAP to bounce off of pre-market lows. Every trade happened according to plan, and it was a very good, disciplined, patient day. I followed all my rules, TPs were all followed, couldn't be happier. Today was probably the most successful, not as far as monetarily wise, not the most successful day I've ever had, but it is the most successful day as far as following my rules, and these are the days that are going to make me a long-term, successful, consistently profitable trader. So, couldn't be more happy with today. Strong first 2-minute candle here, quite the range on it. Broke above, came down, and when I saw that we had a decent another downtrend here, I was really interested to enter a trade. It happened to be in the first 15 minutes of the day, which I told myself I'm not trading those minutes, but that was only because I had one really bad experience, and from that point on I'm like, I'm never doing that again, which is a bad mental state, and it's a poor way of viewing the market. How are you supposed to learn if you are scared of everything, right? So anyways, this candle here where it pushed below VWAP, and I was really curious what was to happen the next candle. Once we started pushing, I saw increased volume, and the way it was pushing, I entered this trade, and my TP was going to be a bounce on pre-market lows, which we went to exactly where I thought we were going to go, which is awesome. But as you can see, this red arrow is where I entered the trade, and the green is where I exited the trade. So we had a bounce, and I exited somewhere around here. The next candle up, we pushed and broke out of the downward trend. Now, once we broke out of that downward trend, I was really curious where this thing was going to go next. I saw this as an opportunity to sell short for a bounce on the previous base here. I did not take that trade. I hesitated on that one. We pushed past pre-market highs. We started selling off. I was looking for this trade. So when we pushed above and we had weakness, I was looking for a bounce on the pre-market highs. I did not enter that trade, but I was waiting to see what was going to happen next. I was patient, and once I saw that we had a downward trend here, I sold short when we broke below the 90 MA for a TP of this base here, which we hit, and we ended up going a little bit lower and then continuing the upward trend. Now, once we continued the upward trend, I saw that we had a really hard time breaking out of this high. So we were chilling here for quite some time. Now, when we had a breakdown here, I sold short for a bounce on the 90 MA, which happened here. So these past 3 trades were all successful. Then we had a breakout of this area right here, which was a wall of selling. When we had that, we didn't need that much volume to push this price that much higher. And once we pushed out of here, I was looking for a rejection of this line. This was a 1-hour resistance that I was looking for to tap into. Once we broke below here and I had a 2-minute close at this level, I entered the position, sold short with a cover at the 90 MA again. So that happened, we bounced, and I'm not sure where the trade is now. But overall, fantastic day. It was a 0.56, so 0.56%, which if we could have every day like that today, then that would be insane. So super happy with today, and looking forward to trading on Friday. As Thursday, I will most likely not be trading unless it's a pre-market trade, because I have a farm meeting to go to. So thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy your day.